All right, we got this good rock ledge. I'm hanging off the side of the mountain to get the shot. Hopefully no one doesn't run me over. Kim's back there. If I tumble, I'll be going down that way. It'll be fine. Okay, we're just waiting for the group to come down this spicy little rock ledge here on this hill. Here we go. Nothing. Comes the RS1. How's it gonna do? Oh yeah, just fine. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Got the Razor Pro. Randy coming down hot. Barely even flexed. Like a boss. And here comes the Cowie on 35. See how old Juicy takes it. Oh, he's going the spicy way. Oh yeah. No big deal. No big deal. Comes the Ranger. We got this. Oh yeah, no big deal. Yeah, buddy, easy peasy. All right, here comes a bright and shiny buggy. I think this might be what they call a CF Moto. Oh yeah, awesome, woohoo! We got Razor, Polaris 4-seater here. How are they gonna do? Ooh. Okay. It's fine. Hell yeah! Make it spicy. Yeah. Got another Razor 4-seater. Woo! Oh yeah. Another Razor 4-seater. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Good job. All right, we got the Yamaha coming down. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Sending it. That's gonna look good on the YouTube. Ooh. Okay. Yep. Here we go. Yep. This is a KRX. You know I have to walk all the way down this hill, right? Yeah, buddy. Another Razor. Oh yeah. Nice and cozy. They got the cozy bougie ride. Hey. Oh yeah. Another CF Moto. I think that's what those things are called. Yeah. Another Razor. Razor in. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo! Yeah, you got this. Ooh, and we got another Cowie on the stock
I need your tires right here.
Well,
Literally.
no, because he's going to tip. He needs to come off of it straight forward right here on his, because he don't have near the clearance to the place.
Even that little, like, one more. You need to do it right here.
Yep, that Ranger's got to lift bigger tires.
Okay, then you're going to spawn.
Pretty hard. Come on. You got it? Just keep on going. All right, now straighten them out. Ready. Got it? There you go.
No big deal. Woo!
Good job. Woo!
Good job, yeah. Like a pro. Good job.
Thanks.
There you go.
Ooh, there's a little tippy.
There you go. You got it.
Ooh.
That's where the motos go.
Oh yeah. You did fine, girl.
Marcia, you're smiling.
It's a little billy goat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, make it spicy.
Oh, like it was nothing. Like it was nothing, Canada. There were about 2 of the buggies that was at their maximum.
Oh, the. Don't mind me, it's just Sasquatch.
Our hands all over y'all's buggies. Oh yeah, it's clean.
I'm working on my New Year's resolution here. Woo. yeah. The spicy side, I see. Didn't even have to cover your face this time, did ya? The Danger Ranger.
Bang! Right up, cowgirl.
Yeah! She went to the rodeo! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Woohoo! That was graceful. Woo! Spicy. Smile, Marsha! You got this. Heck yeah. It's like you've done this before.
Why?
Alright. It's probably one of the sketchiest hills on this trail. It's a good trail. And then down here, some mud holes, some creek crossings. There's another little sketchy part to go to the other waterfall, but it's one of the biggest rock ledges. Jeeps do that. Yeah.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Kawasaki KRX. Antlers, Oklahoma yesterday.
Sound right, boy.
It sound right, boys.